Here we are under the rock shelter. We heard a waterfall, so we rode up. And this is what we found. There's a nice pool underneath. And rocks around it, kind of hidden back in here underneath the rock shelters. Here comes Paula. She's coming to see it. And our mules and horses are tied up down there. Very tall. What do you think, Paula?
I love it.
It's not real big, but it's pretty, isn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Beautiful under here. If that
Does it flow on here?
I don't know. We'll check it out. It'd be a great place to come up on a hot day and
Oh,
and
gosh, yeah.
swim in there.